Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, Lucy. How are you today?
Hi, Sam. I am fine, thank you. How are you?
I am good, too. Today, I want to talk about sports. Do you like sports?
Yes, I love sports. Sports are fun and healthy. I want to share my favorite sports with you.
That is great, Lucy. I also like sports very much. Let's talk about the sports we love.
Sam, what sports do you like?
I like many sports. I like football, basketball, and swimming. I also like running.
I like tennis, volleyball, and cycling. I also enjoy jogging in the park.
That is interesting. We like different sports, but we also share some interests.
Yes, sports are good for our health. They make our body strong and our mind happy.
I agree. It is important to exercise and have fun with sports. Lucy, let me tell you about football. I love playing football with my friends on the weekend.
Football is very popular. Do you play in a team?
Yes, I play in a small local team. We practice on Saturday and sometimes on Sunday.
That is nice. I watch football games on TV. I like the excitement of the game.
I feel happy when I score a goal. It is a great feeling.
I like to see fast passes and good teamwork. It makes the game exciting.
Yes, teamwork is very important in football.
Sam, do you like basketball?
Yes, I do. I sometimes play basketball in the park with my friends.
I like basketball too. I often watch it on TV. The players run very fast and score many points.
I like to practice shooting baskets. I think my shot is getting better.
That is great. I like the energy in basketball games. The cheering from the crowd makes it fun.
Yes, the sound of the crowd makes me feel excited and happy.
Sam, do you know how to swim?
Yes, I know how to swim. Swimming is my favorite sport in summer. It is cool and fun.
I love swimming too. I go to the pool often in the summer. It helps me relax and cool down.
Swimming is good for your body. It works many muscles.
I agree. When I swim, I feel light and free.
Do you swim in a pool or in the sea?
I usually swim in a pool, but sometimes I go to the beach. Swimming in the sea is a little different, but very fun.
Lucy, you said you like tennis. Tell me more about that.
I love tennis because it is a very skillful sport. I play tennis with my coach on Wednesday and Friday.
That sounds good. I have seen tennis games on TV. The players hit the ball very fast.
Yes, they must be very quick and have good hand-eye coordination. I practice my serve and my forehand.
Do you play singles or doubles?
I mostly play singles. It is a bit challenging, but I like it.
That is interesting. I think tennis is a great sport to improve your focus.
Sam, do you like volleyball?
Yes, I like volleyball. I play volleyball with my colleagues on the weekends.
I like volleyball too. It is fun to play on the beach. The game is fast and requires good teamwork.
I enjoy the feeling when I serve the ball and my team makes a good play.
I like to jump and hit the ball hard. It is exciting when the ball goes over the net.
Volleyball is a sport that makes you work with your friends and build team spirit.
Sam, You also mentioned running. Do you run often?
Yes, I run every morning. I run in the park for about 30 minutes.
That is very healthy. I like jogging too. It is a simple exercise and very good for the heart.
I feel very energetic after a good run. It clears my mind and keeps me fit.
I sometimes listen to music while jogging. It makes the time pass quickly.
That is a good idea. Music and running are a perfect combination.
Sam, do you enjoy cycling?
Yes, I do. I like to ride my bicycle on the weekends. It is a good way to see the city.
I love cycling too. It is fun and eco-friendly. I often ride with my friends.
Cycling is good for the environment and for your body. It makes your legs strong.
I agree. I ride for about an hour on sunny days. It gives me a sense of freedom.
Do you use a road bike or a mountain bike?
I use a road bike because it is fast and light. I sometimes ride on smooth roads and parks.
Lucy, I want to ask you, which sport is your favorite?
That is a hard question, Sam. I love tennis and cycling, but if I must choose, I say tennis because I enjoy the challenge. What about you?
I think football is my favorite. I love the excitement, the teamwork, and the energy of the game.
Football is very exciting. I like watching it with my friends on TV.
Yes, I often watch football matches on weekends. I cheer for my team and enjoy the game with my family.
Sports bring people together. They are not only fun, but also create a sense of community. Sam, do you watch sports on TV often?
Yes, I watch sports on TV. I like to watch football, basketball, and sometimes tennis matches.
I also watch sports on TV. I enjoy watching live matches because the atmosphere is exciting.
Watching a live match on TV makes me feel like I am at the game. I like to see the players and the crowd.
I sometimes go to live games at the stadium. It is a very exciting experience.
That is true. Live sports are very different from watching on TV.
Sam, can you tell me a good memory about sports from your past?
Sure, Lucy. One of my best memories is when I played in a local football match. My team scored the winning goal in the last minute. We all celebrated together. It was very exciting.
That sounds amazing. I remember a time when I played tennis in a school tournament. I lost in the final, but I was very proud of my effort.
I think it is important to try your best in sports, win or lose.
Yes, every game teaches you something. I learn about teamwork, discipline, and fun from every match.
I agree. Sports help me become a better person.
Sam, why do you think sports are good for you?
Sports are good because they make your body strong and healthy. They also help you to relax and reduce stress.
Yes, I feel more active and happy when I do sports. It is also a good way to meet new people.
Playing sports helps you to make friends and learn to work in a team.
And sports make you feel good. When I play tennis or go cycling, I feel full of energy.
Exactly. Sports give us both physical and mental benefits.
Sam, do you think sports are a part of your daily life?
Yes, they are. I try to include sports in my daily routine. Even if I do not play a full game, I always find time to exercise.
I do the same. I try to take the stairs, go for a short walk, or even stretch during the day.
Small exercises and sports can make a big difference in our health.
I feel that sports are not just a hobby. They are a lifestyle that keeps me active and positive.
Yes, I believe that regular exercise and sports make life more enjoyable.
Sam, what sports do you plan to try in the future?
I would like to try a new sport called badminton. I have seen it on TV, and it looks fun and fast.
Badminton is a great sport. It is light and requires good reflexes.
Yes, I also want to learn more about swimming techniques. I want to improve my strokes.
That is a good goal. I plan to join a tennis club to play more matches and improve my skills.
Maybe we can join a sports club together. We can try new sports and exercise with friends.
That is a wonderful idea. I would love to join a club and meet new people who like sports.
I look forward to trying badminton and swimming with new friends. It will be a fun challenge.
Sam, do you buy any special equipment for sports?
Yes, I do. For football, I have a pair of good shoes and a ball. I also have a water bottle to stay hydrated.
I have a good tennis racket and a pair of tennis shoes. I also buy sports clothes that are comfortable.
Sports clothes are important. I like to wear cotton t-shirts and shorts when I play.
I prefer sportswear that is light and easy to move in. It makes playing more comfortable.
I sometimes go shopping at sports stores. It is fun to try on different shoes and clothes.
I agree. I like to compare prices and look for good quality items. Sam, do you follow sports on social media?
Yes, I follow some sports pages on Instagram and Facebook. I like to see photos and videos of matches.
I do that too. I get many ideas about new sports and training tips from social media.
It is nice to see other players and teams. It makes me want to improve my skills.
Social media helps me to stay updated on sports news and live events.
Yes, it is a good way to learn and be inspired.
Sam, I really enjoyed our long talk about sports today. We talked about football, basketball, swimming, tennis, volleyball, running, cycling, and many other sports.
I enjoyed our conversation, Lucy. Talking about sports makes me feel excited and motivated to be active.
Sports are fun and healthy. They teach us about teamwork, discipline, and joy.
I agree. I hope we can play together soon. Maybe a friendly game of football or tennis.
That is a great idea. Let us plan a game or join a sports club together soon.
Thank you for this wonderful talk, Lucy. I feel inspired to try new sports and improve my skills.
Thank you, Sam. I enjoyed sharing my ideas and listening to yours. I will see you at school and maybe on the sports field.
Yes, I look forward to it. Have a great day, Lucy, and keep enjoying your favorite sports.
Thank you, Sam. Have a good day and stay active. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Lucy.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.